In my video guide, I will give you detailed instructions that will help you to get rid of fake Windows Firewall protection alerts. The peculiarity of these alerts is that they quote this fake Windows support number +1 844 721 3128. Probably many people know that if you want to contact real Windows support, there is no any phone support available. At least I've tried that before and it doesn't work. But this is a fake Windows support number +1 844 721 3128. This phone number is real, but it is not related to Microsoft. It is controlled by some online hackers who just hunt for users' money. So if you see these pop-ups quoting this fake Windows support number, just do not interact with it. Don't call this fake number. We recommend that you just leave this page and also additionally investigate your computer and its safety with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.